If it's time to turn your rural getaway dream into reality, this parcel of land of just over an acre could be the opportunity you've been waiting for. Situated on the outer edge of historic Willunga, the block is entirely bordered by vineyards and offers a true sense of being encapsulated in the heart of this picturesque region. Ever so gently sloping, it is lightly studded with established almond and fruit trees and lovely big old gums, and has superb far-reaching views across the countryside to the distant ocean. A 4-bedroom timber-framed home is currently situated on the block, along with sizable shedding and rainwater tanks. Although ideally lending itself to raising, the dwelling would make satisfactory accommodation, whilst rebuilding bigger and better and making the most of this perfect location. Featuring a living, dining room with combustion heater, family room, games room, study and a dining kitchen, the space is there to comfortably reside on a temporary basis. There's 3-phase power and a sealed road frontage, making it even easy to build your rural getaway dream. Being just over an acre in size, the block provides more than sufficient scope for a substantial family home, as well as huge gardens, generous shedding, ample parking, lots of rainwater storage, a veggie patch, and perhaps small livestock. Willunga itself offers the perfect rural lifestyle. Schools, sporting clubs, and all amenities are to hand. Yet the area is surrounded by gently rolling countryside, vineyards, and just a short drive to a choice of beautiful beaches. The Character Township boasts a wonderful selection of boutique cafes and historic hotels, and weekly farmers market. If you're ready to raise and rebuild to bring your rural dream to life, please call Mike Stillwell on 0413 742 344 for more information and to inspect today.